This is Ask EWG, where EWG researchers answer your burning questions about consumer safety. Here's a question from one of our supporters in LA. I recently read a report in which EWG recommended using carbon filtration to filter tap water for drinking. The report pointed out that carbon filtering is less expensive than reverse osmosis filtration, but it didn't mention that carbon filtration does not remove artificially added fluoride from the water. I know that EWG is concerned with the health effects of fluoride, especially for children and pregnant women. Was this an oversight? It's true that EWG opposes water fluoridation. Fluoride is often added to municipal water to reduce tooth decay in children, but when consumed in water, it actually has very little effect on dental health. A growing body of evidence indicates the known and potential health consequences of fluoridated water, including dental fluorosis, increased bone fracture rates, and effects on the thyroid, immune, and endocrine systems. Perhaps of greatest concern is a 2006 peer-reviewed study by 4 Harvard scientists and medical doctors indicating a correlation between fluoride exposure and increased incidence of osteosarcoma, a dangerous bone cancer, in boys. Here's EWG researcher Nneka Leiba.
Activated carbon filters such as faucet-mounted filters and pitcher filters do a really good job of reducing the levels of common tap water contaminants such as disinfection byproducts, but they don't reduce the levels of fluoride. Reverse osmosis systems reduce those common contaminants as well as fluoride, but they're kind of pricey. In the last year, though, the prices have dropped significantly, and you can get an RO system for anywhere from $200 to $1,000. EWG feels very strongly that the best solution to this public health problem is for local governments to stop fluoridating their water. If you aren't sure if your local water utility fluoridates, give them a call or check online. And if they do, please be sure to express your concerns about the negative public health impacts of fluoridation. A mother's body filters fluoride out of breast milk, but if you're bottle feeding your baby powdered formula and your tap water is fluoridated, you might want to consider installing a RO system. However, if an RO system is not in your budget, you might want to consider going to the grocery store and getting jugs of unfluoridated water. It must be noted, though, that the price of bottled water can quickly add up to the price of an RO system.